In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix your Wix mobile site step by step so your website looks clean, professional, and fully optimized on mobile devices. A lot of people build their site on desktop and then realize the mobile version looks broken, text is overlapping, spacing is off, or sections just don't look right. The good news is Wix gives you full control over your mobile layout, and once you know where to click, it's actually very easy to fix. I'll walk you through everything in a simple way so you can follow along even if you're a beginner. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and website tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, you want to go to Wix Studio. Open your browser and log into your Wix account like you normally would. Once you're logged in, open the site you want to fix. Make sure you're using Wix Studio or the Wix editor, where you have access to both desktop and mobile views. This is important because the mobile editor lets you customize how your site looks specifically on phones, without affecting the desktop version. After your site loads in the editor, take a quick look at how it looks on desktop so you have a reference point. Most of the time the desktop version looks fine, but the mobile version needs adjustments. Now at the top of the editor, you'll see an option to switch between desktop and mobile. Go ahead and click on mobile. As soon as you do this, Wix will switch you into the mobile editing view. This view represents how your site appears on smartphones. You'll probably notice right away what needs fixing. Maybe text is too large, images are misaligned, sections are too tall, or elements are overlapping each other. Don't worry, this is very common. While you're in mobile view, remember that any changes you make here only apply to mobile. You're not going to break your desktop layout, which gives you the freedom to experiment and fix things properly. Now comes the main part, editing the page accordingly. Click on the elements that look off, starting with text. You can resize text, adjust line spacing, and reposition it so it fits better on smaller screens. If an image looks too big, click on it and resize it or move it so it doesn't push other elements out of place. For sections that feel too tall, select the section and reduce the spacing or padding so the page flows better when users scroll. If something just doesn't work well on mobile, you can even hide it from the mobile version entirely. Wix allows you to hide elements on mobile without deleting them from the desktop site. This is extremely useful for large images, extra text blocks, or decorative elements that aren't necessary on phones. As you go through the page, scroll down slowly and check each section one by one. Make sure buttons are easy to tap, text is readable without zooming, and everything looks clean and aligned. Take your time here because a well-optimized mobile site can make a huge difference in user experience and conversions. Once you're happy with how everything looks, click Preview to double-check the mobile version. If everything looks good, go ahead and publish your site to save the changes. And that's it. You've successfully fixed your Wix mobile site and made it mobile-friendly. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.